Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I will discuss details about hatch and gradient command in AutoCAD. So please follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get all kinds of updates. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will discuss about hatch command. Shortcut key of hatch command is H. So for hatch command, type H. H is the shortcut key. Now you can see hatch command, you can see here. Press enter or simply press the space bar. Here, click here for settings. Now hatch and gradient dialog box is open now. So we need to change very simple things like pattern, type, color, everything we need to change. First, I will create a rectangle. So close this. So take a rectangle, specify first point here and second point here. So this is now hatch, give hatch command, go to settings, click on settings. Here pick point, pick internal point, everything here. So click on settings. Now here we need to change type, pattern, color, everything we need to change. So this is the pattern. This is hatch option is active now. So this is the color. Here you can change the pattern from here also. This is scale. So click here on pattern first. To change the pattern, click here. These are the patterns. Now this is ISO. This is other predefined. ANSI, ISO, other predefined and custom. This is custom. So I will select other predefined. From here I will select first. So you can select any pattern as per your requirement. I will select this one. Now you need to change the scale. Scale I will take 30. Now here add pick point and select object. I will first show you add pick point. Add pick point means you have to click inside. You have to click here inside. Click means you can see how it will look like. Now here you can change the scale. Transparency also you can change. Angle also you can change here. Now it's 30 now. I will give change to 50. See, it's changed. Now angle also you can change here. Now it's 0. I will give to this is 0. I will suppose change this to 20. Now you can see. So if I'll make it 45, it's completely straight. So like this you can change the angle and scale. Transparency also you can change, but here it's not required transparency. Color you can change from here. I'll make it a red color, blue, any color as per your requirement. Green color you can change from here. Now you can make it solid. Gradient also you can make it. Now this is pattern. So here all these things you can change. You can change the angle if you want. Again I'll make it 35. See, it's changed now. Now press enter. So this rectangle is hashed now. So now if you select and you want to change, you can change again here. So next I will take another rectangle. Now here again go to hatch command, or first I'll offset, give offset distance 10 inch, select, click inside. Now I'll give hatch command. So here go to settings, go to settings. Now here click here for pattern. Select object. I will show you what is select object. So I will select the pattern first. So any pattern you can select. I will select suppose this one. Click OK. Now scale I will change 30. Now scale 40. And color you can change from here. I will select red color. Now I will select object. Last time I have selected pick point, add pick point. Now add select object. So add select object. I will select this. So that means you have to select the object. So add pick point means you have to click inside, and add select object means you have to select the object. So now I have selected. Now I will change the scale 10. You can see it's changed. I will change to 5. It's changed. You can see this. So add select object means you have to select the object. Add pick point means you have to click inside. Now I'll show you this side. Add pick point. Now I'll select add pick point. In this case you have to click inside. Here you have to click inside. Now if you want to select, that option you will not get. Okay. So you have to add pick point means you have to click inside, and add select object means you have to select the object. Okay, hope you understand. Now I'll delete this. So again hatch commands, go to settings. I'll change the pattern. Suppose I will select this one angle. Now add pick point or select object. Anything you can select, add pick point and click inside. Add pick point means you have to click inside. Now change the scale. Scale I'll take 30. See, it's increased. Now you can change the angle 45. So you can see it's changed little bit. Scale you can change. I'll change to 50. It's increased. Now angle I will take 30. See, if I'll make this to 10, say. So now delete this. Now go to settings, hatch, go to settings. Now add select object. So in this case you have to select the object. See, if you click inside, this option will not work. You have to, in this case you have to select the object. You can change the scale color here, change the color. Now you have to select the object. Now when I select it, see, I have selected the object and it's hashed. Now same process, you can change the scale 60. I have changed it to 60. Angle also in same pattern you can change. It's 45. Suppose I'll change. Now again I will change this to 60. See, it's changed. Now I'll make it to 45 again. It's now 45. So like this you can use select object and add pick point in hatch command. So now take a construction line, vertical line. Here take a vertical line. Now trim. If you want to trim the hatch, this hatch, suppose I want to trim, you can trim like this. Simply, no need to do anything. Simply you can trim from here. So trim here. Look, you can trim from here, you can trim from here. So you can simply trim the hatch. Now select hatch again. Go to settings. I'll change the pattern. Suppose I will select from here. From other predefined, I will select concrete hatch. So click on OK. Now color I will change by layer, means white color. Now add pick point. Now click inside. Change the scale. So I will change, look, to see this we have to change the scale. So we have to make it 10. Now you can see this 5. Now here this side. Now this side also I need to hatch. So in this case, again take a polyline, take a line command, draw a rectangle, but it's not closed. So if you want to hatch here, you can't hatch. Go to settings, or see, a closed boundary cannot be determined. A closed boundary cannot be determined. Means for hatch, if you want to hatch, you need a closed boundary. It should be closed. You can see. Now I'll close this. I will fillet. Now it's closed. Now if you want to hatch, you can hatch. See, you can hatch now. So to use hatch command means if you want to hatch any object, that should be a closed boundary. Now delete this, or if you want to change the scale and change the angle, you can do. I have discussed that already before. You can change the pattern here. See, it's changed. You can change the pattern here like this. Any pattern as per your requirement you can change directly selecting. Now hatch edit command I will show you. Change this to 10, angle 10, scale 5. See, it's changed. So like this you can hatch any object, but it should be a closed boundary. Now hatch edit, that is shortcut key HE. So hatch edit. Now press enter. Suppose that means if you want to select hatch object, you have to select the hatch. Now select. Now see, hatch edit dialog box is open now. Now click on the pattern. Select the any scale, like any pattern you want to change the scale 10. Now directly click on OK. See, it's changed. Now here you can change this. So again hatch edit command, HE enter, select. Now go to hatch edit dialog box. Here you can change the scale of 50. See, it's changed. You can directly change. You can also use hatch edit command. Here hatch edit command, select. So you can see the complete dialog box here. You can change completely here at a time everything. Then simply click on OK. So this is the use of hatch edit command. Now delete this, also delete this and delete this line. Now hatch, go to settings, click on pattern, solid hatch. Now by layer, change the color, suppose blue color. I have selected blue color. Now add pick point, click inside. You have to click inside. Transparency if you want. Suppose glass door, glass window, in that case you have to take transparency. So I'll take 70. Now click inside. Here I have taken transparency of 70. Now press suppose 80. Now press enter. This is transparency with 70. Now again I will same hatch, give hatch command. Transparency this time 0. click inside. So you can see the difference between two objects. This hatch with transparency 70 and this is with transparency 0. So hope you can see the difference. Now this is blue color. I'll select white color. Suppose this color. Transparency I will take in this case 85. Now click inside, enter. Now this I'll delete and hatch. Now same white color transparency I will take 0 and click inside. So hope you understand. This is transparency with 85. 85 means it's more transparent, and this is 0 means 0 hatch which I have done with 0 transparency, that is white in color, and which I have done with 85 transparency, that is more transparent than the white one. So this is the transparency option we use to make a glass window, glass door. So take a circle now. Now take a rectangle. Now I'll discuss about gradient command. So for gradient command, here give gradient, press enter. Now here go to settings, click on settings. This is the gradient dialog box. You can, if you click on hatch command, if you give hatch command, there also you can go to gradient command. This is gradient, this is hatch, and this is gradient. Okay. Now if you give hatch command, enter, settings, here this is the gradient command. Okay. Here also you can use gradient command from hatch and gradient dialog box, or simply gradient dialog box also you can give by giving gradient command. Here one color, two colors you can select, one color also you can select. Now here you can select any color from here. Index color, you can, this is true color and this is color books. So any color, it will take little time to come. This is the color books. So you can select any color. This is true color. From here also you can select, or by clicking here you can select the color. See, this is, if you one color, then click on OK. Now click inside. See, this is the gradient. Now if you want double colors, means two colors, you can give hatch command, or you can simply give gradient command. Settings, go to gradient. Now one color, if you want, select just one, click on one. Now change the color here. If you want two color, then select on two, click on two. Now two color bars are active. Now you can change the, you have to select the color of second one, add pick point. Now click inside. See, you can change the color here, types, like where you want to see the color. This is the gradient. Now delete this. Again give gradient, go to gradient. Simply give gradient command. Now go to settings. Here I need two colors. So two color selected. Now select the first color. I will select this. And second color, click on second color. Select from here. I will drag the mouse to here. This one. So two colors are selected. Now click on Art Pick Point. Transparency you can take. So here I will take transparency of 70. Now click inside. Press enter. See, here I have taken transparency. Now delete this. Again I will take gradient command. Then go to settings. Here first color one I will take blue. Then second color I will take from index color. I'll take suppose this. Now first color I will take the white one. Okay, white, and this is the maroon one. Then add pick point. Now click inside. Here transparency I will make 0. No transparency. Now click inside. See, it will look like this. So like this you can use gradient command. You can use two colors, or you can if you select, and here you can change the color. Suppose blue, I will select blue, the first one, and second one I will select pink. Then it will look like this. Then select the first color. Suppose I want to make green, and the second color I want to make this cyan color or yellow, whatever color you want, or magenta, any color, whatever color you want, you can select. Here I will take suppose red. Then it will look like this. Here select and change the first color and second color. Like this you can change any color. So if you want one color, select one. If you want two colors, select two colors. So like this you can use gradient command. So hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.